Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will talk about University of Southern Queensland international PhD scholarships, like how much scholarships are available and we can apply to how much scholarships and what are the closing dates, how much is the coverage. So let's start. Here we can see that the international PhD fees scholarship is number of student PhD fees scholarship for international students studying the doctoral. So this is for PhD degree, and you need to find your research topic, contact the supervisor, and then submit the application. We can go through the process. So what is the coverage of that scholarship? Tuition fee for a period of 3 year full time equivalent study paid by University of Southern Queensland. So you don't need to pay the tuition fee. What is the eligibility? So you should hold qualification regarded by University of Southern Queensland to be equivalent at higher level to the bachelor degree. You should have a bachelor degree, at least must have applied for enrollment or currently be enrolled in a PhD at University of Southern Queensland. Be an international student, not an Australian or New Zealand citizen, Australian permanent resident. Not be the recipient of similar funding from Australian government, and not to be sponsored student receiving similar funding from their government or other organizations. And you should come to university by 2024. This is the selection criteria. You can take a look here. How to apply? You should have a cover letter, and you need to send emails to University of Southern Queensland supervisors according to your research area. Then get that supervisor support letter and your CV, research thesis, proposal, and education qualifications, list of research presentation, documentation confirming citizen like your passport. After all these, and this is the closing date. So closing date is 30th September 2023. Now if you want, if for example this is like already closed, this application, then you can further explore other scholarships in University of Southern Queensland. You will come here, study, and then fees and scholarship. Click here, and then you will come down, fee and full fee basis, and here this is for future students, and then click on explore now. After that, so you can see here really regional leader scholarship is open. These scholarships are open, and there will be few who would be closed. So these scholarships are open, you see, and few are closed. And you can also search, like for example, if you are international student, then click here international student, and you are applying for research. Okay, click here, and category for example is engineering, and click here. Then you can see that this scholarship is still closing date is 11 November 2024. So you can still apply for that scholarship. It's open, other are closed. Like you need to check the application dates. After like you get the acceptance and everything, then you need to apply for the scholarship. Here you will come back, and here how to apply. Get ready to apply. Okay, you should have these documents clear, and then contact with your supervisor, submit your application. Once you found your proposed supervisor, you need to submit the relevant application online here. And this is for international student. If you are international student, then you need to only submit here. Also, you make sure to include your research thesis proposal. You need to follow that template. You don't need to write by yourself. You need to follow that template. You should download that and then fill that form accordingly. And these documents are also necessary to be uploaded on your application portal. After you will submit your application, then it will take up to 25 working days for the graduate research school to review your application. So this is how you can apply for University of Southern Queensland for scholarship. And if you have any questions related to that scholarship, please feel free to comment in the comment section. And please share, subscribe, and like that video. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye.